In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use banners, headers, and footers on Substack. Customizing these elements can significantly enhance the look and feel of your publications and newsletters, giving them a unique touch and helping them stand out. So, let's dive right into how you can make these adjustments. To get started, you'll want to head over to your Substack home. This is your starting point where you'll find all the options you need to customize your page. Once you're there, take a glance at the top of the page near the Recommendations button and click on the Settings tab. This will take you deeper into the administrative options where you can configure your emails and publications. Next, from the menu on the left-hand side, locate and click on the Emails option. Clicking on it will lead you to a new page, which is specifically set up for you to work on customizing the header and footer of your emails. Look for the section labeled Email Header and Footer and click on the Edit button. This is the area where you'll be able to upload and change your banners. Let's start with the Email Headers section. Within this area, you'll find a subsection titled Banner Image. To upload your banner, simply click on the Upload button. This allows you to select an image from your computer that will serve as your email's visual introduction to your readers. As you move on to the headers in your posts, you'll see an option labeled Header for all posts. Click on Edit, and here you can type in a custom header that will appear on each of your posts. If you desire, you can add a button here as well. By exploring the button drop-down menu, you can choose the Subscribe option. This makes it easy for readers to subscribe directly from your header. Remember to click on Save once you've made these changes. It's essential to save your work to ensure everything is applied correctly to your posts and emails. Now, let's dive into the next component, configuring your email footers. For the email footers, locate the corresponding section titled Footer for all posts and click on Edit. In this space, you can write a custom footer message that resonates with your brand or provides essential information about your publication. You also have the opportunity to add a button by clicking on the button drop-down. Here, you can select the Share Publication option, a useful tool for encouraging recipients to share your work. If you wish to further customize these buttons, the drop-down menu offers a custom option where you can tailor-make them. You're not limited to just one button either. Feel free to add multiple buttons to serve various purposes. Before finalizing, don't forget to click Save once more. This step confirms that all your changes are saved and will appear as configured in your emails and posts. And that wraps up our guide on using banners, headers, and footers on Substack. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing!